Hi, I'm Ken.Cooper with Guaranty RV Center in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'd like to share with you this brand new 2018 Winnebago Via 25P. It's on the Mercedes chassis, Mercedes diesel. Let's go inside. Some real innovation here. Notice this dinette table here, so designed that we have a leaf that rolls out like that, so we can actually extend the table and you can sit right here. These act as leg rests as well. Nicely done. Take a peek at that TV set recessed into that wall. And up above, that accent lighting. Very, very nice touch. This coach does have the Mcd Blinds as well. This interior color is called taupe. I really like it. It's called zinc. It's kind of a dark taupe. Now, right across, look at the amount of counter space that we have here. Sink right there. This is nice stuff here, the way that works. Lots of storage there. This coach is equipped with water filtration there as well. Notice that we have the microwave convection oven right there. And the cabinetry. This is a high gloss Marabella look with the canvas treatment on it. Very classy, light and weight, very strong. More storage up above here in this area. You've done a nice touch here with this accent lighting. And here's a 2-burner cooktop right there. Drawers, full extension on metal glides. This coach is equipped with a double-door gas electric refrigerator. And up above is your coach command center. Notice that this has a 100-watt solar panel on it. There's my monitor panel and my LP on and off right there. Now, right across, look at the amount of wardrobe we have there. Drawer storage. And these are the cushions right here that sit on the pilot and co-pilot seat to get you elevated up there a little bit. This bed, nicely done stuff right here. Notice that we have access to storage down below. And of course the head of the bed is so designed that we can lift it up and be a backrest there so you can watch the TV set that this coach is equipped with in the bedroom. More storage up above there. Nice job in this lav area here too. We have a detachable clothes rod right up here so we can hang clothes if we want. Self-cleaning shower door. Lovely molded sink treatment here. More storage down below. Ceramic water closet. Medicine storage up above. And this coach is equipped with the tankless hot water heater. The thermostat's right there, and we're going to talk a little bit more about that when we go outside. Pretty neat stuff. Now, as we move forward into the cockpit, as I mentioned, this is a Mercedes V6 diesel, 3-liter, 180 horsepower, 325 foot-pounds of torque. This motorhome has the infotainment center. I've got it tuned into the navigation side of things right there. Additionally, we have side mount cameras, so if I turn on the turn signal right or left, I'm going to get a view down the side of the coach. 5-speed transmission here, hands-free phone device right there. This does come with the driver's door as well. Both these seats swivel and do recline as well, and they have the lumbar supports built in. Another nice attention to detail, handy storage there with a power port. This coach is equipped with a DVD CD player right here. Switches are easy to get at, and the controls for this step, turning on and off the battery, are right there. Now as we move outside on this coach, a couple things that are very unique. This door is actually beveled, so when you close it, it's almost like an aircraft door on a jetliner. Very well sealed. Storage down here below in this area. There's that 1,000-watt inverter right there. I'd mentioned this tankless hot water heater. This is a Truma. Basically instant hot running water and an unlimited supply. Very efficient system, very quiet and very fuel efficient as well. Plus it saves a lot of space there. Standard equipment on this coach, the 3,600-watt Awning propane powered generator. Lots of power for this coach. More storage in that area, as well as up above. This full body paint job is just absolutely gorgeous. This coach, of course, is equipped with the electric awning as well. On the back side of this coach, it's equipped with a receiver hitch, and the wiring's already in place. We can tow up to 5,000 pounds with this motorhome. Notice the tail lights here, LED tail lights. Tail lights up above that act as turn signals as well on this coach. Coach is also equipped with stabilizer jacks here. The controls are located right in here, so I can just press the button and run those jacks down, stabilize the coach. Service entrance right here. Notice the ease of access. All your controls in one place, including the shoreline there. Very easy to get at. I can stow my sewer hose right there. Black water flush system, standard equipment. Alloy wheels right there. Lighter, stronger, better cooling under braking. Perfect place for your golf clubs right there. Nicely thought out. As I mentioned, full body paint. Just absolutely a gorgeous coach. Easy to get in and out of there too, of course. And here are these side mount cameras that I mentioned. Brand new 2018 Winnebago Via 25P. If you'd like to know more about this motorhome, my name's Ken.Cooper. You can reach me at that toll-free phone number below. Thank you for taking the time, and I hope to hear from you soon.